Hi guys, welcome to the short video about how to do a crossfade in CyberLink PowerDirector if you don't have any extra space available. So usually you would make a crossfade if you have some gap, some space in between where you are talking. So you are basically just making a crossfade of the video. So that's the most important point. You're not doing crossfade because of the audio. Usually crossfade is made because of the video. But when you don't have space regarding the audio, so how can you do that? That's a little bit of a problem. When you do it, when you move this piece to the left side, and you can make a crossfade, but it will be impossible to hear the original sound in this piece, and on this side and on this side. So when you have the real cut where you want to make the crossfade, make another cut a little bit on the right side, so that makes it easier, so you have a smaller piece to deal with it. So what are we doing? We right click on it and make link, unlink video and audio. So after splitting video and audio, you would think, yeah, it's an easy thing. You can just pull the video a little bit to the left and then select crossfade, but it's not available for some reason. It would be so easy if CyberLink PowerDirector had added this, and yeah, it would be possible. I'm sure about that, but they didn't add this option for some strange reason, so we'd have to do it manually. Of course, you have other possibilities. It's just one way how I made this, how it worked, and so I'm going to show you that now how I did that. So we take the video part of this area, take it down to a free track and extend it a little bit to the left side based on your taste, how much you want to crossfade, and then put it back to the original place. And now we can select crossfade only now. And so I'm going to play that now for you. I didn't even feel that. Also the shoulder. Yeah, so I hope you have been able to see that it was much smoother now than before. Before it was really a hard break, and now it's much smoother. Unfortunately, I cannot remove this sound here, I think. So, but I'm playing it again so you can see. Even feel that. Also the shoulder pad. So even though we have not been manipulating the audio, just with manipulating the video, we really have a nice crossfade now, and it looks much better than before with the hard break. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.